Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Isomac Milan Espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the pressure stat, the one located right here. And as you can see it looks a little bit beat up and not in good condition. And this was causing the machine to overheat. It was going all the way past the 1.5 bars of pressure and it was just overheating. So we adjusted the pressure to be at the 1.2 bars, which is the one that is right now. And that's a more stable pressure for these machines and the more standard pressure for the most espresso machines that we have. As you can see, the pressure of the machine is really good. It's keeping it up, and now we can just let it go and show you where it's gonna heat up next. There you go, 1.2 bars, which is perfect and what you would like for this type of machine. We already had the machine on for quite a while, so the E61 groove head is definitely very hot and needs to be purged. As you saw that there was a lot of steam coming out through there, but once it cools down you can see a nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working real great, excellent flow, and of course hot water working excellent. And there you have it, Isomac Milano not overheating and working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.